गोंय राज्य महिला प्रदेश काँग्रेसीची अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुतीनन अन्याय जाल्ल्या बायल मनशाचें नांव जाहीर केलें म्हूण म्हज्या नांवान खवदळ घालपी भाजपाची महिला अध्यक्ष सावंत, शिवसेनेची राखी प्रभुदेसाय आनी सवेरा ह्या बिगर सरकारी संस्थेची मुखेली तारा केरकार म्हज्या नांवान प्रसिद्धी घेतात. गोंयांत इतले विशय आसात, मात तांकां म्हजें नांव वापरून प्रसिद्धी घेवपाक मजा येता असो थोमणो प्रतिमा कुतीनन मारला.
We are a political organization, but we believe in social work. And as our in-charge Neta, who had come to Goa, who had said की आम्ही खंयच्या बायलेचेर अत्याचार जावं, खंयच्या बायलेचेर इनजस्टीस जावं, आम्ही हेल्पलायन सुरू केल्ली म्हाजो नंबर दिवन, आनी तेका लागून लोक आमचेर विश्वास दवरून खंय तरी आमकां आपोवपाक लागले, and the problem started there. The BJP government is suppressing our voices, trying to strangulate our voices, because we have been time and again exposing them. Well, friends, as you all are aware, criminal cases are filed on us. Criminal cases with sections. Some of the cases were non-bailable. I want to ask, am I engaged in any illegal activities? Am I engaged in any illegal business? कितें घोटाळा केल्लो आसा? Am I a hardcore criminal? Am I a hardcore criminal? Or have I looted the government treasuries for these 6 cases filed on me? This is a personal attack done on me to silence me, to suppress my voice, to suppress the voice of these mahilas who have all the courage to be like pillars and to go on to give justice to the woman and the girl child in Goa. With my team, along with the victim and a small baby, where I addressed the grievances of that unwedded mother who was in trouble, who came to me for help, crying, seeking for justice. On the contrary, when I told that unwedded mother, why you are asking me? We are political. We can help you, but why don't you go to NGOs? And what was the reply? She replied saying that I have been cheated by one of the NGOs and I don't have faith in these NGOs because NGOs म्हणल्यार तांचो धंदो मॅडम, तांचो बिझनस. ती खंय वारें आसल्यार सूप दवरपाची मनशां ती वतली आनी ते दादल्या कडेन सेटींग करतली आनी म्हाका फोनान घालतली. 6 cases or 6 ladies who have gone out to the police stations, gone to the media, tried to hog limelight, tried to take free publicity at the cost of Pratima Kutino.
बायलांचेर इतले अन्याय जातात, तांकां तेंको दिवपाचो सोडून तांकां खंय नाक घुसोवपाक हांकां संवय जाल्या. बायलांचेर अत्याचार जातात तेन्ना भाजपाची सावंत, सवेराची तारा केरकार, शिवसेनेची राखी प्रभुदेसाय, सनातनाची सावंत ह्यो बायलो खंय आसल्यो असो प्रश्न प्रतिमा करता.
A Goan girl is molested by a Jharkhand man. It looks all these big political parties, especially the opposition BJP party, they are trying to support a Jharkhand boy who is come and molesting our Goan daughter. वो मुद्दो हांवें केन्ना घेतलो जेन्ना म्हाका PCC प्रेसिडेंट बाब गिरीश चोडणकरान फोन मारलो आनी सांगलें की ते फॅमिली सांगेची फॅमिली विक्टिमाची फॅमिली, the family of the victim, that girl's family, the deputy sarpanch, the panchas of the village and the villagers have appealed to Girish Chodankar that they need Pratima Kutino, the Mahila Congress president and her team, to seek justice. We could not make it the next day, but then yes, these issues concern me a lot. We went to the girl, I requested the mother to keep all the men, the villagers out. I took that girl, I requested the mother that I would like to meet the victim all alone in the presence of my Mahila team. We went, तेणें म्हाका धरलें, तें रडलें, ताणें म्हाका सगळें सांगलें, म्हाका खूब तरी वायट दिसलें. कित्याक हे कसली दादागिरी. हे भायले झारखंडाचे भुरगे येतले, these outsiders will come and they'll try to molest. And if at that time the younger sister was not there at home, this molester who had seen the girl serving him tea, that the parents had gone to the field, who happened to go and came after half an hour and tried to molest her. The girl, if she had not to scream and the younger sister had not to throw an alarm, तो त्या चेडवाक तेणी मॉलेस्ट करून रेप करून गेल्लो आसता आशिल्लो. मागीर ह्यो बायल्यो कितें करपाच्यो? Molester from Jharkhand is supposed to be the driver, the JCP operator of one of the most powerful politician of Goa. One of the most politician BJP leaders' son's driver. So these were all pressure techniques. The pressure started. The very next third day, I started getting calls from all Goa top police officials, including the crime branch. I failed to know what crime I had committed. I am a public figure. I am the Mahila Congress president. So obviously anyone will come and click snaps when I am in a crowd, when I am in a conversation. What it has to do with us? Was the victim present at the site? The mother herself comes on the site. She says, Pratima bai wachnaka. Tuka ami chaw gelya bagar dhadpana. And then they request me, the deputy sarpanch, the panchayat, the villagers are there at the site. मातशे देवळा कडेन यो म्हणून आमकां थंय व्हेलें. थंय देखून कोण पॉलिटिकल उलयतालो तांकां हांवें सांगलें पॉलिटिक्स सांगा नाका. महिला काँग्रेस इज कम टू गिव जस्टीस. लेट्स नॉट डायवर्ट द इशू. आय एम नॉट वरीड टुमॉरो आनी केस घातली जाल्यार लिडर स्पिकराचे बायलेचें नांव काडलें म्हणून. आय एम नॉट अफ्रेड. सुलक्षणा सावंत बाय, तूं खंय आसता गो आनी तुजी टीम आसा खंय गो? सिलिंडर म्हारग जाले, कांदे म्हारग जाले, प्रायस हायक जालो गॅसीचो, रेप जाले, मॉलेस्टेशन जाले, गँग रेप जाले. तेन्ना खंय आशिल्लें गो तूं? लाडली लक्ष्मीक लागून चलयो मेल्यो तुमच्या स्किमाक लागून. वेर वर यू सुलक्षणा नायक that you are coming and I'm reading on the reports on the newspapers that you are saying that Pratiman apology मागची, प्रतिमान सॉरी म्हणचे, ते विक्टिमाचे हे लोकांक पायस दिसती पडटा सोशल मिडियाचेर. हाफ नॉलेज इज डेंजरस बाय सुलक्षणा. I want to ask this Sulakshana Sawant, did you have the courtesy of going with your team there in Sangem? Ago, you are a VIP. How a person changes petticoats, she has been changing the parties. ते खंयच्यान NCP साकून हांगा उडकी थंय उडकी मारून आतां शिवसेनात आयला. ग्रावंडार म्हणटा ते बायलेक हांवें केन्नाच पळोवूंक ना काम केल्लें. This Raki, being from Sange, being from the same village, 5 minutes distance from the victim's house, she had no time to go and talk to them, to meet the family, to meet the victims. But she had the हे ताका ग्लॅमर दिसलो तो. मेकअप करून न्हेसून पट करून धांवून हांगा केस घालून प्रतिमा कुतिनोन महिला काँग्रेसाचेर उलोवपाक, प्रतिमाचेर केस घालपाक. राखीबाय, द फॅमिली, द सांगे विक्टिम्स फॅमिली इज वेटिंग फॉर यू. द विलेजेस ऑफ दॅट प्लेस दॅट इन सांगे वेर दिस थिंग हॅज टेकन प्लेस आर वेटिंग फॉर यू. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम संस्था, सनातन. आम्ही जाल्यार we have never seen the Sanatan ladies coming out and taking issues or raising issues or fighting for a woman folk in Goa. To my utter shock, I saw them first time on the TV. They were speaking in Marathi and telling या प्रतिमाक हेंच जावपाक जाय, प्रतिमाक सजा जावपाक जाय, केस घालूंक जाय. तांकां खंय some of the reporters asked her, have the victims called upon you all? The victims have complained about Pratima and the team. She had no answer. But where was the Sanatan ladies when there was a big convention which took place last year in Ponda, where Sadhvi Saraswati, their leader, came, the holy preacher came and tried to disturb the peace, tried to disturb our goans, communal disharmony. आमची harmony पिड्यार करपाक आयिल्ली, who came with a statement saying that those who eat beef should be hanged. And this was an attack on minority, as the Catholics and Muslim brothers consume beef in Goa. Next, she said something like, you all should stock arms at home. Jihad नहीं होना चाहिए. मुसलमान और हिंदू शादी किए तो स्टॉक्स रखो घर पे, उनको उधर ही मार डालने का. Where were the Sanatan ladies that time? Why didn't raise alarm there? Where were the Sanatan ladies that time when the gang rape took place, where the rape took place, where the Kankon 6-year-old girl was raped, when the Vasco rape took place? Coming to Tara Kerkar, the Congress of Goa want to know, Tarabai, ते टीव्हीचेर उलयलें म्हण जायना, जिबेक हाड नासल्या भशेन. the whole of Goa can give certificates about Tara. I don't have to speak about Tara. People of Goa will be in better position to tell the background of this so-called lady Tara Kerkar. And if I speak about her, I'll be stooping to her level. But Tara should answer whether her NGO, that is Savera, is registered first. Where was Sulakshana Sawant, the BJP Mahila Morcha president? Where was Shiv Sena's Rakhi Prabhu Desai? Where was Sanatan ladies? Where was Tara Kerkar and other NGOs? Why they didn't go to meet the victim? This is a tight slap for all the, including the BJP Mahila president, Shiv Sena, Sanatan, Tara Kerkar and other NGOs who woke up from their slumber. This letter I got, such a beautiful declaration given by the mother, the victim mother. I cannot disclose the name, but she has given a letter, declaration in the police station, affidavit signed by the notary. I will just read 2-3 points. The recent controversy created by certain NGOs and the political functionaries trying to show artificial concern for my daughter, my minor daughter, and my family is strongly condemned by our family. She further says that it remains the fact that the Mahila Congress team had genuinely tried to support our cause, but we are deeply saddened by the manner in which the NGOs and the political functionaries are giving wide publicity at the cost of my family. Last but not the least, she says that my minor daughter, myself and my family have no complaints. I repeat, the victim's mother writes here that my minor daughter, myself and my family have no complaints against our Mahila Congress President Pratima Kutino and her team, along with others, for the circulation of pictures on the social media and recording which have been clicked on that day. And we further wish to state that the NGOs and the political functionaries are creating more damage. She says that these NGOs and functionaries are creating more damage to my minor daughter and her family by raking this issue, by filing complaints, false complaints without our concern and against my will. Sulakshana Bai, Shubhalakshmi, Rakhi, Tara Kerkar, what is this? This is a total direct slap on your faces. Maybe which I am getting as a gift from the CMO Parikar, as I challenged him 2 months back that mujhe 100 case gal, I will not shy down, I will not bow down, I will not cow down. So I will fight for the justice of this girl from Marcel. I'll fight till this Sange minor gets the case.
बायला आणि भुरगी आयोगाची अध्यक्ष शुभलक्ष्मी नायकय आता बदलल्या. त्यांना म्हाका बरें काम केलें म्हूण शाबासकी दिल्ली, मात आतां तांणी पलटी मारल्या. कांय दिसांनी तांकांय उक्ताडार हाडटा अशें प्रतिमा उलयलें.
लक्ष्मीन जाल्यार आमकां सर्टिफिकेट दिली त्या दिसा. कितें म्हणिल्लें तिणें? आय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट प्रतिमा कुतिनो, द महिला काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट. I congratulate her for being brave. And she told that girl from Marcel, that woman, unwedded mother, that you are so lucky that you have got a brave lady besides you to help you. Where are the words? I understand she's under pressure of BJP and she cannot deny it because she's on record and I've got the recording. When I went to office and I told her that I'm impressed that such a learned person is sitting and heading the commission, who on the contrary told that girl that if you have the photograph of your lover, just pass it to the press, let him also get exposed, let the people of Goa know who is the culprit, because he is also equally responsible for this matter. Secondly, she appreciated a girl that is come in all the rallies where you all were present, where she has appreciated a girl and said that she'll go all out to give justice since she has given birth to a girl child. On the contrary, she even went further in appreciating me. I pity her because she is a puppet of the BJP government. She is a puppet, so she has to bend down. The government tells her to stand, she'll stand. The government tells her to sit, she'll sit. She has to learn something from the Mahila Congress. She has to definitely resign. They don't have right. Here you all have seen what I have produced and showed you all. Women Commission, she has failed on the grounds in giving justice. त्या चलेचे ताका पडून वचूं ना. वयल्यान उलट आनी कितें घेवन येवपाचें आसा हांव एक 2 दीस दियात म्हाका आय एम गोना एक्सपोज वुमन कमिशन एंड देन यू ऑल वील कम टू नो.
गोंयच्या चलयांची सुरक्षा धोक्यान आसा. मात भाजपाची गोंय महिला प्रदेश अध्यक्ष भाजप सरकारा कडल्यान बायलांक सुरक्षा दिवपाक शकना म्हूण तांणी अध्यक्ष पदा वयल्यान राजिनामो दिवचो अशी मागणी प्रतिमान केल्या.
आमी डिमांड करता महिला काँग्रेस टीम दॅट आमचे कडेन तुमी अपॉलॉजी मागची. गोंयच्या बायलां कडेन तुमी अपॉलॉजी मागची. यू हॅव टू से सॉरी नॉट ओनली टू द गोवन महिलाज but also to the Mahilas of India, because when there was a gang rape which had taken place in the South Goa on one of the beaches, where 3 men इंडोरांतले see the guts भायले लोक येवन आमचे चलयांचेर हें करतात आनी ह्यो बायलांक न्ही आमकां सपोर्ट करपाचे सुवातेर आमचेर केसीस घालपाचेर चड खास आसता. Sulakshana Sawant came out with a statement saying that we cannot provide, our BJP government cannot provide security to each and every lady or girl in this country. See the statement, the cheapest form of statement Sulakshana Sawant, the BJP Mahila Morcha president, had done. I demand apology not only to the every woman of India, including Goa, but I demand a resignation from a lady that is BJP Mahila president who had come with such a cheapest statement ever, where her party president and leaders had to come in support of her and address the media.